In the previous video, we created the train body. Now we're going to put the holes for the axles and other parts in this. So I'm going to create a sketch and I'm going to place it on the side right here. I'm going to orientate myself and I'm going to grab my circle tool. You could do this with points in the holes. I'm choosing to do it with the circle tool. And I'm going to make a 0.25 circle and 0.25 inch circle. I'm going to dimension these a ½ inch from the bottom line. And I'm going to do the same to the rear one. And both of these get dimensioned 1 inch from the front and 1 inch from the rear. Let's escape that dimension. Now I can click on extrude, remove, and then I'm going to choose through all. So I have those holes drilled in place. I'm then going to come along to my front. I'm going to place a sketch on the front of mine. And now for that cow catcher, I'm going to do the same exact thing. This time I have a set of 3 holes that I need to make. And these holes are 0.125. And again, I have 3 of them. Now, I'm going to dimension these. First 2 from the bottom, 0.125 up as well. From their closest sides, I'm going to dimension them 0.375 is what I want to do. Now the top hole gets dimensioned in the middle here, which will be 1 inch. And we're looking from the center point to the bottom is going to be 0.625. I'm going to come up here to my extrude. I'm going to click on remove, and I want to remove 0.125 inches worth of material. So that'll give me a good opportunity for that cow catcher, as we can see there, to attach. I have to flip around to my back side now. And I'm going to lay my sketch down on the back right here. And then I'm going to orientate myself to that. I'm going to grab my circle tool. I'm going to draw a 0.25 inch circle on the back. This circle needs to be centered. So we're going to move it to 1 inch. And coming up from the bottom, we're going to be that same 0.375. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to click on extrude. We're going to do a removal, and our depth of this removal is 0.5 inches. This is where our peg will go and our attachment to attach train cars to.